I pray for the people who are in Arab countries. I pray for all people who are in Asia. 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 I repeat, Asia. There is a wind. There's a wind that is coming to destroy Asia. I repeat, there is a wind which is coming to destroy Asia as a continent. I repeat, there is a wind which is coming to destroy Asia as a continent. You are building tall, installed houses or buildings. Right now, stop. You are in Asia. You are building taller buildings. Stop. There is a wind that is coming to destroy Asia. Tall buildings will be falling down. Tall buildings will be falling down. Water will be breaking houses down, Asia. The wind will come and will, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. The oceans around Asia, the wind will come, will roll the water from its position. And the water will be pushing down buildings. I have seen over 75 millions of people dying in Asia. 75 million people dying in Asia. I saw people dying. Blood. Bodies on water. Water taking bodies everywhere. No plane. Like these aeroplanes to rescue people. No planes. These helicopters, nowhere to pass because of the strong wind. Vehicles nowhere to pass because of water. I pray in the name of Jesus. I pray in the name of Jesus. Rescue teams will find it so difficult. I saw the wind. Leave alone the wind which can even push the mountain. Cause the mountain to crack. Asia. I pray for Asia as a continent. In the name of Jesus. I pray for Asia as a continent. I pray for Asia as a continent. In Jesus' holy name. I speak this again. I pray for Asia as a continent. I've seen over 75 million people dying. Where there is no way to pass to rescue the lives of people. People dying. Whether strong, whether weak. Whether able or unable. Old and young. The youth who are energetic, who can save themselves, but also dying. Buildings cracking, falling down, killing people. Water, killing people.